Hi guys!
Hi,
Introduce your name.
my name's Ryan, the youngest one.
And Leanne
The
and the pretty mom. So today we're gonna do mukbang. Balut mukbang. One for you.
No, I don't
One
want
for
to eat
you.
one. It's so big. You wanted one. No, just joking about it, Mom.
It's
What is
good, isn't it?
this?
You like this when you were
No, I
little.
don't know more.
And we have the vinegar chili.
And we have the
And we have my special sauce, which is Thai seafood sauce. This is fish sauce,
don't
lime,
tell anybody yet.
garlic, and cilantro.
Hey, why did you tell them?
No, I didn't say the secret ingredients. So now, let's start our mukbang. Which one we gotta start first?
But
The big one or the small one?
small one.
Okay.
Say the big one.
This is the chicken balut. This is
No,
duck
I
balut.
don't want to eat the chicken. How
Come
come?
on, come closer. They cannot see you.
I don't want to eat the chicken.
Okay, now we're gonna do the chicken.
I don't want to. I feel
Do you
so
know how to
bad.
crack this?
Yeah, you start from the bottom.
Yeah, the bottom. So this is the point one. This is the top one. The bottom is kind of flat. So go like this.
I feel so bad. I don't want to. It's already dead. Alexi? Oh. Is there soup inside? Oh, there's a lot.
We like this. This is Filipino delicacy.
Filipino what?
Delicacy.
Oh, delicacy. Oh.
If you don't eat this, oh, you don't know. So I'm gonna put my Thai sauce.
Secret sauce?
Mmm.
Oh, no.
This is how you eat it, Leon. Leon.
Oh. Oh.
You're being so arty now.
Oh, God.
Put the Thai sauce.
How come yours is like that? Mine has a baby in it.
Oh.
Oh my lordy lord. Okay, that's my napkin. Is it soft?
Mm-hmm.
What happens if you just swallow it right away?
Mmm.
Bob, pass me a napkin. Wait, so just do I cut first? Pass me a napkin.
Mmm, so good.
Do I eat this part? How come yours is like that? Mine is like this.
Super.
Why y'all is wet? Mine's dry. Huh?
No, I
Oh, you have to peel it.
Oh, it's so good.
You're done already.
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna wait for us? Or no? Do show the mom.
It's good with cilantro.
Do show the mom.
You don't have to eat this one if you don't want. You can just eat them.
Sure.
I'm done already. I'm waiting for them so we can eat the second one. Oh,
So
this
could
is
you
so
do?
good.
Could you say,
I missed this.
So could you? What about you? Like, what do you want?
Okay. You want this sauce?
Yeah, but without chili.
This is not chili. It's not spicy.
Yeah, it sounds
So
spicy.
Leon is gonna eat hers. You want cilantro too?
I eat Takis. Takis is much
Yeah.
more spicy, yeah.
This is Leon's one. Okay, show it how you eat it.
I don't know. I want more.
Closer.
Mm.
You don't have to eat the white part.
Mommy, how come mine has like this?
Okay.
Alright.
Next is the duck one.
The big. It is mine.
So same thing. We're gonna crop the
The top or the bottom? The top or the bottom? Bottom.
You're done already, Mom?
How do you do it so
I'm still
fast?
cracking mine.
Oh, have super mine. I have super mine, Jen.
This is the best at Philippines when it's fiesta. Oh,
What is a fiesta?
fiesta is when the
Mom,
carnival
look. I have a lot of
on the
soup.
side of the street. And
Mine is overflowed.
you guys like my sauce better than the vinegar.
Look at this. Oh, it's gonna spill. It's gonna spill. It's gonna spill.
You tripped me all over, Mom. Ooh.
Mmm.
Good, huh?
Mmm.
Wow.
Mmm.
How come you guys don't have a big
But I do, Mom.
I'm confused. What is going on here?
Mmm.
I see the eye. I don't want to look at it, Mom. It's staring right at me.
Oh my.
Mom, look.
Does every animal have a vein?
Yes, Jen. Now look at their blood pump.
Does it like it's a dripping just all
With cilantro now.
I see silly.
It's not spicy, Leanne.
Leanne, that's not even silly.
So this is Leanne's one. Show it. Come
How
closer.
should I eat it?
Come closer.
How should I eat it though?
Good. How's it? I like the vinegar too. Didn't show you the camera.
Missed. I don't want cilantro.
So that's it, guys. We eat it all.
I never.
Oh, you never. It's not done yet. Here. And some more cilantro.
Why are you opening your mind so big?
I have to enjoy the last bite.
Last bite. Mm. How's it? Good?
Boosting, boosting.
This is the duck and this is the egg.
Okay.
The best sauce that Ate Rose made. Super addictive. I'm gonna try you try the egg first, then we go try the balut. The duck. I mean, this is balut, but
You could say the
here,
egg.
go. I need. You guys can see it. I love this so much. This is my favorite. Thank you, Ate Rose, for giving us
Thank you,
food.
Ate Rose. The best.
Mm.
Mmm. So good. Look at that.
It's so good. Mm. Mm? Oh.
Man, may duck now. So when you open the ano na ganun ito yan? The balot, the duck balot. You have to find the fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's been a long time since we did mukbang, so don't open on the pointy part. Open it on the butt side, like the flatter side. Look at this one. Look at it.
He got in. What the hell?
Mm.
That'll be a catch, bruh.
More salt. The white one tastes good. It's not as hard as the chicken one.
Oh, I like that one. I'll try.
The chicken one was harder.
But it's just think coming off. It's gonna come off.
Hey guys, that's it for the video. Please subscribe. Bye.
Whose video is this? Bye.